Hello everyone, welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte and today I'm going to be showing you around our brand new Itineo CS 660 2025. So this is a 5-berth, 5-belt compact A-class motorhome. It's only 6.61 metres in length and it's 3.5 tonnes, so it can be driven on a standard driving licence. It's built on a Fiat and it's 140 brake horsepower, 2.2 litre engine. So we'll talk you around the outside of the motorhome. We have our two-tone 16-inch Fiat alloys. Your gas will be stored in there. You have an electric welcome step, and then to the back is our garage. So we'll have a wee look in there. So essentially the bunk bed will fold up if you need more storage, and you'll be able to access the garage from the other side. So to the back of the vehicle, of course, you will have your full length reversing camera. On round to the side we have access to the garage from here as well. So come on in, guys. Into the cab area of the motorhome. As you can see, you've got a lovely panoramic view here. We have our leather Fiat multifunctional steering wheel there with your cruise control with your speed limiter, your Bluetooth voice recognition. You've got your fully digital cockpit here, 9-speed automatic gearbox. Beside that we have our climate zone, cab aircon, and our Pioneer infotainment system there. We have DAB Plus radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course Bluetooth connectivity. So we're into our lounge area. As you can see, it is lovely, open and spacious. Nice leather finish on the seats. You have your ambient lighting throughout. Over here we have 2 USB points and you have your telescopic table. So this is our drop down bed. So essentially you'll just push those chairs forward, pull this down, and you have a ladder to get up there. Now into the kitchen area, we have our 2-ring gas burner. Beside that we have our sink and your tap finished in the nice matte black. Above that we've got our nice lighting here and our Itineo branding. A feature I like is the soft close cupboard, so no rattling noises whenever you're driving. We have our Dometic full length 3-way fridge freezer with your freezer box compartment, and above that is your Dometic combined oven and grill. We'll take a little look into the washroom. So to the back of the motorhome we have a second lounge for your children and your bunk bed layout. Wondering where all your clothes go? Here we go. This is our control panel, really easy to use, and below that is our Truma gas and electric blow heating system. So that was just a quick summary of our Itineo CS 600. Full details of this motorhome can be seen on our website, thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 028 92 693 999. Thank you, bye.